Welcome back to Explore Travel TV. My name is David L. Peters, and this is another episode of Explore Vegas. And today we got another adventure. I'm here with my buddy Alan from Las Vegas and beyond, and we're going to do another adventure. This time it's going to be an inside adventure, and we're here at the Miracle Mile Shops. Thanks for coming here to my show. I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button because it really makes a difference. And hit the thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down twice or something like that. Anyways, I do appreciate your support. We're gonna go do this little exploration here coming up soon. So, all right, let's go. Stop talking. Okay, bye. Well, here we are. We made it to the Climb Las Vegas. It's a big climbing structure, and we're gonna look into going. It's pretty busy, but we're gonna look into going up on that climbing structure. So let's see how this goes.
We're going to get you in a harness just like this, hook you onto the course, and then you have a limited time to go play. We've got 17 different obstacles, 3 different stories, goes up to about 55 feet.
Wow. Is there any weight limit?
It's a 300-pound weight limit.
Okay, but no height limit.
No, well, height, yeah, 48 inches. I think you both are good.
You qualify. And what about
what
about age limit?
Age limit, no age limit, it's just height.
Awesome. You have to be able to climb.
Thanks, Ben. You have to be able to walk.
Okay, now we're getting ready to do this climb over here. We got to dump all our stuff out, our backpacks, and get suited up and all that stuff. I can't take my GoPro with me, so I'm going to strap that on my wrist, and we'll see how that goes. So in a minute, we're going to be climbing.
All right.
All right, now we're getting suited up here. You can see we got our harness, right? Safety first.
I'm going to have you grab onto this red loop right here, bring it to your belly button. Hold on to it right there, turn around, keep holding on to that, and get you strapped in.
All right, here we go. Gonna get my Christmas goose early. No, I'm just kidding.
Not afraid of heights, are you?
Not too much, not really. Yeah, well, we'll see.
Well, this whole deal is designed to test your knowledge of your fear at heights. So while you're walking across elements, you don't have to hold on to your sling line, which means you can challenge yourself if you can do forwards, backwards, sideways, no hands.
Okay. Or hold on for dear life.
Or hold on for dear life.
It's there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
See where your confidence.
My confidence, yeah. I'm kind of okay, not too bad with heights. As long as I know there's some safety to it, you know?
Yep. You are all set, my friend.
So you're locked into this. Check this out here.
Yep. Next to a sling line, so fall at any point in time, you just go from standing to sitting.
Okay. How tall is this again? How far are we going up?
So 60 feet, 3 levels, 17 obstacles total.
Wow. All right.
Take a step back.
Everybody here is real helpful. They're here to help. If you're scared a little bit, they'll kind of help you through it, but you definitely gotta, it's a test. It's a test for your own fears and agilities and abilities. Again, I'm here with Alan with Las Vegas and Beyond. Be sure to subscribe to his channel. He's got some great videos too. I'll leave that information down below. And also on how to get on here too, I'll leave some their website where you can either buy tickets online or you can get here. They do have a locals discount, which is cool if you're local. Otherwise, come on down. It's in the mall, and it's fun. We're gonna give it a try. I've never done this before. We got a couple of old guys climbing this thing.
One at a time, starting with you. I'm gonna have you give me a sit and a swing.
Okay. Sit
Legs up.
and swing.
Stand. Go ahead.
Check it out.
Sit and a swing. handstand.
That's fun. I just want to do that.
All right, you guys, if you fall at any point in time, that is all that's going to happen. If that happens, you're going to grab onto your sling lines, pull yourselves back up, keep on going. Hold that.
Pull ourselves back up.
Yep, grab on your sling lines, pull yourselves back up. Few rules: no running, no jumping, no swinging, and no sitting in your harness unless you fall. One person at a time on an obstacle. See someone on an obstacle, wait until they're all the way across and then the next person can go. Don't touch this overhead track, and make sure your sling line is in front of you and in between your shoulders at all times. Got an operator up there, Ray. He has an orange sling line that looks like this. He'll blow his whistle if someone's breaking the rule. You hear that whistle? Just make sure he's not looking at you. Going upstairs, stick to the right. Coming downstairs, stick to the right. Okay. Cool. You have an unlimited amount of time. This whole deal is designed to test your balance and your fear of heights. When you're walking across obstacles, you don't have to hold on to your sling line. It will follow along with you, which means you can try doing stuff with no hands, forwards, backwards, sideways, however you want to challenge yourself. You're going back and forth between the levels, you'll guide it through the track until you get to the obstacle that you want to go try. Any other questions?
Nope.
You guys ready to rock and roll?
Let's do it.
I think so.
Stay as long as you want. Thank you. Welcome to Slime Vegas. Have fun.
All right, thank you. All right, here's the first beam. It's a beam. It's like a balance beam. There is a rail. I may try to do it without, I don't know. We're gonna see. Oh man. Woo. Woo. I feel like I'm on Ninja Warrior or something.
Oh yeah. He's a good point. American Ninja Warriors.
Woo. Okay, that was freaking nuts. Okay, now we're gonna go up to the next level.
3 levels.
Wow, there's a lot of people up here. Now you can spend as much time as you want or need to up here running around. It's getting a little congested for people, so we gotta watch out. You're only supposed to have one person on at a time too, so we're gonna see what happens. If we can do it, you can do it. Conquer your fears. Yeah, I kind of chickened out on that hands-free version of it. I was a little shaky, and the soles of my feet are a little slippery too. So.
So the easiest way to do it is to stand on this platform right here,
Yeah.
and then to push off.
Push off.
Yep. That's how I swing all the way across.
Oh, okay, so we can do that. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, I see. It's got rollers on it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a track.
Yep. So more momentum. Good.
That was cool. It's almost like a zip line kind of thing. That was fun. All right.
to tame me. You can't catch me on the run, cause I'm gone, yeah. I blaze trails, set fire to what's behind me. No, I'm never looking back, I'm on the run. I could only ever be what I'm made to be. It feels good when I'm living on the edge. Watch me now, roll like thunder, gonna shake the ground. Can't stop me now, I don't give up and I won't back down. I'm a force of nature, can't be contained. I got.
Okay, we better get a lot of views on this video, okay? Not only did it cost us money, but it's costing me like energy, lots of energy.
Come alive when I'm in the face of danger. Bring the pressure.
So David just got a job offer, is that right?
Yeah, they said he's such a great job. They want to offer me a job here to show people how not to do it.
I thought we were going to be the poster boys for the over 50 club.
Yeah.
There we go.
We should start a club.
I'm a force of nature, can't be contained. I got lightning running all through my veins. Watch me now, watch me now.
Okay, wow. There you have it. Two old guys climbing up 3-4 stories up doing that stuff. It was really, really fun. You guys got to come down here. These guys that hook you up are super cool. They get you in there, it's safe. Give yourself a little challenge and come out here and do it. It's at the Miracle Mile. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I do appreciate that. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe to Alan's channel, Las Vegas and Beyond. He's got a great, great channel to go take a look and visit. He's one of my favorites. So thanks again. Until the next adventure. I'm not sure what we're doing yet, but stay tuned because we're going to be doing something. All right. See you guys next time.
If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below and ring the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload the content. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.